Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and then start the application immediately. Have Aadhaar, PAN, business address proof, GSTIN, and scanned PDFs ready. This saves repeated delays. Once logged into the Maharashtra Gumasta portal, choose Renewal/Update and select your license type. Make sure to use a desktop browser for reliable uploads and keep your digital photo and bank details at hand. You will now proceed to the form. Complete the initial sections carefully and move to document uploads. You will now work through the complex middle steps. Enter trade details, owner names, and exact business activity. Consistency with PAN and Aadhaar prevents rejection. Once done, upload the rent agreement or property proof, utility bill, NOC if required, and ID documents. Make sure file sizes and formats meet portal rules, then choose eSign or Upload DSC. Using Aadhaar OTP is faster. After signing, review the preview carefully, correct mismatches, and then proceed to payment and final submission. You finish by making the online payment and saving the transaction receipt with the ARN or reference ID. Once paid, track your application status on the portal and watch for officer queries or inspection requests. Processing times vary. If approved, download the updated Gumasta license PDF and print a copy. If something goes wrong, specifics matter, check the rejection note, correct the mismatched document or detail, and reupload immediately within the portal's correction window to avoid delays.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.